Welcome to Trading Tricks for Indices YouTube channel. This video is about pre-market analysis and making important levels in the chart. Marking important levels in the chart and the trading plan. How I do the pre-market analysis, what is the plan, on what basis I took the trade. Everything will be discussed in this video. Please watch till the end because it's a lengthy video, but it gives some important information about pre-market analysis and directional trading. Okay, few words about Trading Tricks for Indices channel. Who get benefited by seeing this channel, I will be discussing in this, and about some points about the trading system books are going to discuss in this slide. This channel is for directional traders. That means you know the direction of the market really well. You analyze to know the direction of the markets. This approach is really so good approach that gives really good risk reward. And I have 2 years of trading experience. And my trading system is I'm using CPR pivot points and 20 MA. With that, sometimes I use the volume also. And this is purely my view about the markets. It may contradict from other YouTubers or books, but this is the view came from reading different books regarding directional trades and psychology and my experience together. Please don't compare this to other traders because this is a unique field of stock market day trading, because this is really unique. You cannot transfer your psychology, your setup completely to another person. They have to take all these data and process all the data. They have to come to a setup, then only they will be successful in this arena. So this is completely my view. Please don't take it as granted. This is an educational video only, and I influenced by these books for day trading. Before that, I cannot make money in this field. The books are Secrets of Pivot Boss by Frank Ochoa, How to Make Money in Intraday Trading by Ashwani Gujral, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. And the pivot point concept has taken from those first 2 books, Secrets of Pivot Boss and How to Make Money in Intraday Trading by Ashwani Gujral. By the way, Ashwani Gujral is the Indian trader who makes crores and crores of money doing day trading. So these books, by studying these books, I developed the psychology to trade and the trading system by watching some videos also. With all these information, I created this trading setup. Okay, now let's see what is my pre-market analysis. And please do subscribe this channel if you want to be a directional trader, if you want to be at peace while taking your trade. If you don't want to see open interest and option chain and option Greeks, blah blah blah. This is the other side of the coin of trading, day trading. But in this setup, you are going to get some peace with the trading. That's why I have chosen this sort of trading system, directional trading. And please subscribe to my channel if you like it, and like the content so that it reach more number of traders. And this is the pre-market analysis. I will check all these things every single day to plan the trade. Yes, really it's true. To be a trader, that to a day trader, needs some dedication, hard work. Through this dedication, discipline and hard work, you can make money in the day trading. Now, pre-market analysis involves 2-day value relationship of pivots and pivot width analysis, pivot trend analysis, and important levels to be marked. Those are swing high, swing low, gap borders, previous day high and previous day low, virgin CPR, demand and supply zones, and with turning points. These are going to discussed in this video in brief because I cannot give all the information in one single video because this is such a big concept of CPR pivot points. So if you want to know about everything about these levels, marking these levels, and today value relationship with analysis, trend analysis of pivots, you can attend my webinar. I am going to give the webinar link in the description, or you can message me if you want to attend the webinar to my Telegram channel. Okay, now let's see what is today value relationship. Let's go to our charts here. Let's discuss about pivot, today value pivot relationships. Now today is 21st September. During the market videos I am recording this video, I am taking you to yesterday and do our pre-market analysis and see let's our pre-market analysis has been proved right or wrong, whether we are getting profits or losses in this analysis. Okay, first point is, let's see what we are going to discuss in this. First is today value relationship of pivots. Okay, now I am taking you to my charts. This is the pivot. This is the pivot yesterday, that means 20th September. We are doing the pre-market analysis for the 21st September. Now today value relationship, in the sense you have to check both, that means tomorrow's pivot CPR pivot points and today's CPR pivot points relation. This is the relation of higher value relationship. That means you are going to expect a bullish day tomorrow. This is today value relationship. And in Nifty also, this is yesterday's, that means prior day's CPR. This is today's CPR. This is also higher than the prior day's CPR. That means we expect bullish market in this day. This is today value relationship. If you want to know more about today value relationship and details of these pre-market analysis, you can attend my webinar. I am going to give my webinar link in the description box so that you can enter, you can have a look on that, so that you will be so clear about what I am telling you. The today value relationship is bullish. Okay, today value relationship is bullish. So you have to write down in a paper that tomorrow's market is a bullish day. Let's take a Microsoft Office Word, then let's write down here today value relationship of Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay, Nifty is Bank Nifty. Now right, you have done the analysis for Bank Nifty, that is bullish. Okay, Nifty is also bullish because it is having higher value relationship. Now let's check another point, that is pivot width analysis. Pivot width, in the sense the difference between the tops, this is the CPR, the first blue line is top pivot, this pink line is central pivot, and the bottom line is bottom pivot. So the difference between these pivots can be considered as width. If you see here, this is a average CPR. This is not so wide CPR. This is an average CPR, and this day is going to be a trending day or sideways day. This is the prediction. And if you say pre-market analysis in this, you are having narrow CPR. That means width is so narrow. In pivot point analysis, whenever the CPR is so narrow, you can predict that market is going to be a trending day most of the time. Not every time, but most of the time this narrow CPR indicates that market is trending, either in the case downtrend or uptrend. After completing the pre-market analysis, you have to came to a conclusion about your trading plan, whether you are bullish or bearish. In this case, pivot with analysis is telling you the day is trending day. So let's write the day is trending day for pivot with analysis. Okay, and this is for Nifty, Bank Nifty. We have done the analysis for Bank Nifty. Let's do it for Nifty also. This is Nifty chart, and this is prior day's CPR. This is today's CPR. You may have a doubt that we are doing the pre-market analysis before the market opens, but how can we get this CPR level in the charts? I will tell you how to plot this before pre-market analysis. Don't worry about it, I will share it later on. So this is a average CPR, or this is like an average CPR, and today's CPR is narrow CPR. That means Nifty also indicating there is a trending move here. Okay, now let's write down the trending move, and here the Nifty is giving trending moves, and Bank Nifty is going to give also trending moves. But why we are doing? We have to ask why every time. Why we are doing? We are planning our trades for the tomorrow, or else for the coming trading session we are planning. With all these factors, we plan the day and we execute the plan during the live market if the market is showing the signals. Okay, always ask why you are doing this. We are doing this to take the trade, to plan the trade. And the third one here is pivot trend analysis. I am showing you the pivot trend analysis, how to do the trend analysis here. Now first thing I have to tell you about pivot trend analysis. Whenever a market is in uptrend, you have to listen this really so carefully. Whenever a market is in uptrend, the close of the market should be above CPR or above S1 or above R1. During uptrend, the close of the market should be in these levels. I will mark you here what levels are there. This is a written statement in the Secrets of Pivot Boss book, which I use to take it and do my daily analysis. Okay, this is the range where the market should be close. That means it can close anywhere here. The most important part is during trending days, the price should not close below S1. This is the CPR. The first support is S1, the second support is S2. So it should not close below it. Then the uptrend will be followed. Okay, let's see where the price has closed yesterday. The price has closed somewhere here from above R1 resistance. That means there is a probability that tomorrow could be a bullish day. You are taking the trade of bullish. You are taking the trade in a bullish way. That means you are up in the market. Okay, if at all this has closed below S1, that means in below this region, you may assume that the trend has been changed from uptrend to downtrend. Okay, this is the analysis. If in this analysis, this is showing that the market is bullish, that means it is in uptrend. So your analysis is in uptrend. You have to take trades you have to take trades in the uptrend only. That means you have to buy it. If in case you are a seller, you have to sell the put here. If In case you are a buyer, you have to buy the call here. That is the difference between option buyers and sellers. Okay, now the analysis, I will write my analysis here. This is pivot trend analysis. Okay, this is analysis, and Bank Nifty is showing uptrend. Let's see what Nifty is telling us. Now let's see where the price has closed. I am again discussing this point. Listen to me carefully. If the market is in uptrend in the prior days, it may be in the uptrend when it closes above R1 resistance or CPR or S1. If it closes below S1, you may assume that the uptrend has changed to downtrend. Likely. Not every time, but likely. Most of the time it works. If you see here, this is the support 1. Below the CPR, this is the support 1, this is the support 2. If the price closes below support 1, you may assume that downtrend from the uptrend to downtrend has started. So let's see where the price closes here. The price closes above R1, near to R2. So our assumption is tomorrow is going to be a bullish uptrend. To be in uptrend, that means we will buy at some support. Okay, now let's write here what is our analysis for Nifty also. Nifty also, it is uptrend, showing the uptrend. Now with the help of these three things, we will plan our day. Let's plan the trade. Okay, today value relationship is showing bullishness. Bank Nifty is also bullish. With this trending, this is also trending. That means this is playing same music all the market. The market is playing the same music. That is uptrend and bullish. So we have to be in buying mode. In case you are a buyer, you will buy at some support. You will buy at some support. If in case you are a seller, let me tell you what to buy. If you are a buyer, you buy call. In case you are a seller, you sell put at some support. Okay, this is for buyers, this is for sellers. Even though your direction is bullish, in case of sellers, you sell put. Selling put requires more than 1.6k capital in your account if you want to do in Bank Nifty. This will be clear when you see when you have knowledge about buying and selling. This is not the point here. We are here to make pre-market analysis. So my analysis is I am bullish and tomorrow is going to be a trending day. So what is my plan of action? I will tell you what is my plan of action. Since today is Tuesday, I am going to be a seller. So I sell put at some support. And I sell put at some support. This is the definition. Please remember. when in uptrend you have to buy at support S1 or at CPR with bullish view. Okay, I am telling you this for the downtrend also. When you are in downtrend, you have to sell, you have to buy the put at R1 or at CPR. Okay, these two lines, if you understand correctly, then your analysis is good. If you don't understand this, please don't be panic. I will do detailed videos about this pivot trend analysis, or you can come to my webinar so that it will be really so clear. In those webinar, I am doing all these things, all these explaining these pivot trend analysis, today value relationships, and pivot width analysis. Everything is discussed really so clearly so that you will get some good information. So my view is I want to buy at support S1 or CPR. Now this is my plan for the day. I want to buy at support S1 or CPR with bullish view. So let's remove this, and this is the S1. What is our plan? I buy at S1 or I buy at CPR. CPR, if the pre-market is opening the first print is here, I wait to price come to my location at CPR and I see a bullish candle here, I will buy here. Okay, otherwise if the market opens here and the price comes till the support, I am sitting here and wait to take the trade. If at all I see a bullish candle here, I will buy it, and my target is CPR according to the situation. As we already discussed that this is going to be a trending day, it is up to you whether you take your profit at CPR or you take the profit at next resistance R1 or previous day high. It is your choice to take it. But as per my experience, taking 1:2 trades is so good in day trading, because not all days are trending days. Even though they are trending days, there may be some pullback and take your stop loss and goes into your direction. I prefer to take 1:2 risk reward. Okay, according to the situation you can change your decision also. So let's see what market has done till now. Now the opening print was here. The opening print was here and price came till here. Price came till here and went up to CPR. What is our plan for the day? Let's write here. Our plan for the day is let's write it here. Our plan for the day is okay. Buy at support S1 or CPR. Now the price came till here and didn't take support at at S1. So I waited to price come till here, and unfortunately What happens I will tell you later. If the price comes here, you can take the trade, and your target is CPR. Okay, so this is also same analysis. You have to take the trade at S1 or CPR in the bullish view. That means your view is market is going to up. So here also the price opens here and goes still here and didn't touch the support S1 or previous day high low. So I waited till price come to here and made a bullish candle here. You can take the trade after the close of this bullish candle, but I am not very confident in Nifty because this is such a big candle and it has a big stop loss. So I am not interested to take the trade here. I will go for Bank Nifty and watch what is happening here. So this is taking support here. Due to volatility, it crosses the support and again buyers are here and push the price higher. So I know that I have to take trade here because I planned it. So after the closing of this candle or this candle, if you want another confirmation, you can take the trade. That means you enter after the close of this candle, you put your stop loss below this candle, target is CPR. Okay, if at all this is the scenario, that means price open till here, somewhere here, and comes to CPR, you only take trade on bullish view only. So if price comes here, you will take the trade once it has bullish pin bar or a big green candle appears. This is the analysis. Now what happened when I take the trade today, I will discuss with you later. Okay, what happened? Now let's mark our pre-market analysis levels. What are the levels I would check every single day? Now we are discussed all these 3 points here and planning the trade. What happened when planning the trade? If you do this analysis and plan the trade, you would have in profits. Okay, what are the important levels I am doing this? What happened when I take the trade with my analysis, I will tell you at the end of the video. Okay, first important level is swing high and swing low, gap borders, previous day high and previous day low, virgin CPR, demand and supply zones, and the turning points. Okay, what is it? You have to mark swing high and swing low in the daily time frame. So go to daily time frame and mark the swing high. I will tell you what are the swing highs and swing lows. For this example, I am telling you simple examples. Whenever a swing, that means in Telugu it is called Uyyala. Whenever a child swings, swing is, I will tell you what is it. This is the swing for a kid. Okay, this is the kid in the swing. The swing moves. The swing moves like this. The swing moves like this. At the same way, the price moves like this. In a swing, it moves like this and moves like this. That means the swing low is here. This is the swing low. This is the swing low and this is the swing high. In this area, the price goes till here and it took support here. So we mark this as swing high and swing low. This is so important to the traders because these swing high and swing low are act as a strong support or resistance. In case of price stays above it, it acts as strong support. In case of price below it, acts as strong resistance. Okay, this is the swing high and swing low. Now let's check for next one, gap borders. What are the gap borders? Whenever a gap up happens, then we mark that as the gap border. I will show you what is the gap border. In Nifty, if you see here, yesterday is a gap up opening. That means this is the gap up opening, and if you see here, this is the gap. Previous day high, this is the previous day high, this is the opening candle, the low of the candle and the previous day high are the gap borders. You have to mark these gap borders whenever there is a gap up happens. There is a saying in the stock market that gaps will be filled. Okay, gaps will be filled. So you wait to take the trade at these gaps. I will show you how these gaps are got filled in today's day. See here price broke through this area and it took support exactly at gap border support. This acts as resistance and this acts as support. So if you see here, this is the gap border. Price took support here, price took support from here and went till this border also. So most of the time gaps gets filled. This is the gap trading strategy also. So the next level is, if you want to clearly know about these levels, in detail about these levels, you can attend my webinar. The next point is marking level is previous day high and previous day low. Okay, this is available in the trading view also. If you mark this level, if you mark these CPR levels, you will get previous day high and previous day low automatically. There is no need to plot previous day high and previous day low, but for your convenience I am plotting this manually. I will tell you what is previous day high and previous day low. This video is little bit lengthy, but it is so informative video. Please try to watch till the end so that you will get some idea about pre-market and post-market analysis and pre-market analysis and the levels to mark. Here, this is, if you see here, this is the low of the day and this is the high of the day. You have to mark these levels. As I already told you, no need to mark these levels manually. When you are marking CPR pivot points, you will get previous day high and low. This is the high and this is the low. Okay. Now what is another marking level? Virgin CPR. Virgin CPR. Those who don't know about Virgin CPR, I am telling you to them. I am telling this, whenever the price didn't go into, the candle didn't go into the CPR, it can be called as Virgin CPR. These act as strong support or strong resistance in the market. You have to mark like this. Please give different colors to different levels, because in the live market it is so difficult to take the trade analyzing all these things in the market. So luckily today I am doing the video, all the levels being respected here. Here gap border respected and here Virgin CPR also respected. As you see here, this is the Virgin CPR and price came till here and made a good bounce here. Okay, this is the power of Virgin CPR. One of the most important level I watch is Virgin CPR, but I took the trade when bullish candle appears at central pivot. That means in this area only, because entering after this bullish pin bar and putting the stop loss below it is a big stop loss for me. As per my psychology, I don't take such big stop losses, so I will not take the trade here even though I am in the market. But trust me, this is one of the level you have to look every single day. Now let's go to another level, demand and supply zones. First I will tell you what is demand and supply zones. For example, if you see here in today's market, from here from here till here. From here till here, sorry, yeah, from here till here there is a selling pressure here. If you see here, this is the selling pressure. So you mark this level as your supply and demand zones. Supply in the sense here, and demand in the supply in the sense here and demand in the sense here. For tomorrow's market, you are going to mark these levels, because from here price moves in one direction, from here price moves in this direction. These acts as supply and demand zones for tomorrow. These supply and demand zones, there is no particular rule to mark them in the 5-minute chart or 1-hour chart. I usually prefer to mark them in 30-minute chart, so that we'll get some good values, good risk reward trades. Whenever price comes here tomorrow morning, there can be some selling pressure. Whenever price comes here, there can be some buying pressure here. This is demand and supply zone. The last one is turning points. Turning points in the sense, whenever a breakout happens in some area, then you consider this as a turning point. That means if the CPR is a strong resistance or support, if this breaks, you can mark this as turning point. Okay, let's say this is the initial balance line. That means first 1 hour low and first 1 hour high here. This initial balance got broken here. That means this is a turning point for tomorrow, and we mark this turning point like this. Okay, I will give another color to this, like blue. Okay, so that you will be really aware of this level. When price comes here, there can be a selling pressure here. If you see here in the live market also, there is a selling pressure here, because this is the turning point. Keeping all these things in mind and be attentive to the market, reading the market case will give an edge in the market. These are the levels I mark every single day and used to trade since last 2 years. But you need some paper trading for this to take the trade, because every day every single strategy doesn't work. According to the situation, market sentiment, considering different factors, you have to take the trade. That means if you see here, this is initial balance low and it broke with such a big candle, and if you see here, yesterday it didn't work out for me. So there is a I didn't mark it here, but yesterday didn't work it for me. But before yesterday, that gives me a good edge in the market. That means every single day you don't get same strategy can be worked. That means your stop loss may got hit. The final conclusion is, doing all these every single day will give you an edge in the market. If you want to know very clear about these levels, pivot, trend analysis, pivot width analysis, and all the important levels, please do watch my webinar. I am going to share that webinar link in my description box. I am going to give my Telegram channels, Telegram channel phone number, so that you can join my Telegram channel. Thanks for watching my videos. You are giving valuable time to me. I hope these are clear to you. If at all you don't understand anything, please comment me, please message me to my mail ID, so that I will reply to you. Please ignore small mistakes, because I am doing this in a single take. There could be some small mistakes. Please ignore them. It's a request for me. Thanks for watching my videos. If at all you like this video content, please subscribe my channel and like this video so that it will reach more number of persons. That would be a motivation for me. Thank you.